G'day, Jonathan here, Hyworth Forklifts. Today I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration on the new Hyworth 2.5 tonne gas forklift. I'm just going to run you through some of these key features. So first thing you're going to see here is these have a container mast on them, so this is really convenient if you need to go into a container to empty out your pallets from that, or also if you need to go in under a low mezzanine level or a basement car park, you have the low mast height there. We also, on these machines, supply them with a fork positioner attachment, so the forks will independently move in and out, which is really convenient. You don't have to get off the forklift to physically pull the forks across. If you've got different size pallets, you can just pull the lever there and those forks will move in and out independently. You're also going to see here we bring these in with solid tyres, so they're puncture-proof tyres, so you don't have to worry about if you run over a nail that you're going to have a tyre deflate on you. We have LED lights around the whole machine on the front and the back. We also have a rain cover up the top here, so that's really convenient if you're obviously working in the outdoors there, you don't have to worry about getting wet. We also bring these machines in with a Japanese Nissan engine, so very reliable engine, very robust, made for the Australian conditions. They also run on a straight LPG system. Okay, I'm just going to show you over here the actual gas bottle bracket assembly here. So this bottle will actually come out and it's really quick and easy to change over. So you just see here, it just unclips and it just swings around like this. And there's just a little lever here. You just push that down and that will just lock in like that. You can unclip it and swap your bottle over, okay? And then you just pull it back up again. And really, literally 10 seconds to swap your bottle around, okay? Now I'm just going to actually jump in the machine here and just show you some of the actual features in here. These machines, they do come with the operator presence system, so they actually won't start up. If I turn the key, it actually won't start up unless I'm sitting in my seat. You've got to have your seat belt on, okay? It's got to have the handbrake on, it's got to be in the neutral position. That's an Australian standard that you must have on all forklifts. So now with this particular machine here, it's got a very good view of your product through the mast there. It's got a nice clear view. You've got your different hydraulic features here. So the first one here is your lift and your lower function here. You've got your tilt backwards, tilt forwards there. You've got your side shift, so the forks will shift left and right. And on the far lever here, you've got your fork positioner that I was just talking about, where the forks will independently move in and outwards for different size pallets. Okay, you've also got your, just behind me here, you've got the little reverse horn there on the handle there when you're reversing. Okay, I'm going to just start this forklift up now and just actually show you what some of the features that this machine can do. So. If you want to find out any more information about this particular forklift, you can jump on hyworthforklifts.com.au. Thank you.